everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And before I close my eyes tonight to take a rest, I wanted to go over some things about the Six Figure Stamp Club, including the most common questions, the things that nobody wants to really talk about, the big elephant in the room, how to start earning, how long it's going to take, how long has the program been around. And I think that this is just important because these are the things that a lot of the top marketers do not discuss when you start a program. So what I want to do is give people all of the ins and outs of the Six Figure Stamp Club and why some people are going to do very well with this program and there's going to be others that are going to do extremely horrible with this program, and why it's a great time to get involved now instead of waiting a month, 2 months, 3 months to get involved, okay? So the first thing I want to say is please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, to just follow my results. And not only that, follow my online and offline journey. It is so much appreciated. It really is. And I'm honored to just have people here watching my journey. Not only that, educating people on just online and offline marketing so people do not go through the pitfalls that I went through when I started this journey. So the Six Figure Stamp Club, first I want to say, guys, if you are available Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, you should get on the live call that happens every single Sunday. The phone number here is here up top in the access code, okay? So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. My information is in the description of the video. So let's get to it. So the Six Figure Stamp Club is a direct mail marketing opportunity. And what I want people to really look at this as is you're a small business. Why? Because it's life-changing. I got into direct mail marketing back in 2016 and it changed my life. I am sitting here in my home office, which it wasn't that before. This room used to be orange and it was a room where I didn't do anything much in it because I was working a lot and I was not able to enjoy being home, being able to work in front of the computer and do the things that I love to do. Fast forward to 2019, I am a six-figure earner. And what I do is I mentor and coach people on how to be successful online and offline. And direct mail marketing is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. And people are earning thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars with direct mail marketing. So with that said, the Six Figure Stamp Club, I joined this opportunity because I love the idea that you get cash payments. Not only that, you get stamps in the mail. So it's extremely beneficial to you because it reduces the amount of money that you have to spend on stamps. Now, what some people ask a lot is, can I make money from just the mailings? And yes, you can. You can make money just doing the mailings, okay? The only downfall to that is that people that are online promoting the opportunity are going to touch way more people than you will touch by just using offline marketing. So, I'm sorry, guys. For my team, what I do is I provide a website, okay, where you can actually include that on your cover letter. That's going to go out with your flyer, okay? And what that does is it just lets people know you're a real person and that if they want more information, they can go online and get more information about you. So with that said, what I tell people all the time is if you received in the mail just a postcard, okay, or just a flyer, and then in the mail you received a flyer with a cover letter that had a website where you can go and check the person out, which one are you more likely to join? Of course, the one with the website, because you're able to go further and educate yourself about the person, about the opportunity, about who they are, and that's going to go much further than a person that just sends out a postcard or just sends out a flyer, okay? So being in this industry and doing this since 2016, I've learned what works, what doesn't. And I'm sorry, guys, I feel like something is on my nose. Oh, it's driving me nuts. What works, what doesn't work, and what's the best way to go about offline marketing, okay? What people are looking for, okay? I've had people that told me that they joined me even after they received a ton of postcards because they was able to go online and get more information about me. And that's what made them actually join me. And they have been looking at the opportunity and receiving postcards for years, okay? It just separates you from the rest when you make it more personal, okay? That's important, making it more personal. So another thing that people ask me a lot is, can I upgrade? Absolutely, you can upgrade, okay? Yes, you can. Now, if you do it within 30 days, you only pay the difference. If you do it after 30 days, you have to pay the full amount, okay? At the black level, which is a $300 one-time payment. And remember, all of these are one-time payments that give you unlimited. You get the reseller rights, the reseller license, just by paying one time, and it's going to allow you to collect on those levels unlimited, okay? So at the black level, you're able, if you have another business that you're promoting, you're able to put that on your website. Not only that, you're able to collect from the $300 level and all of the levels below it. So the levels that are below it is the blue level, which is 150, and the red level, which is 50. You pay the 300, you now have access to all three levels, okay? What I love about this is that you're getting cash payments. You do not have to wait for the company to send you your money. It is member to member payments, okay? People love to get their money in the mail or get it directly to them without it going through a third party. And that's what I love most about this. I don't have to wait for the company to pay me. I'm getting daily payments from people that are signing up with me. And actually here, I'm not going to show their address, but here I have 2 payments that came in the mail today, okay? So that just goes to show you it works. And this is cash in, okay? Right, and stamps. The other thing, this is available for people that are in the USA and in Canada. They can join this opportunity. Their leads are extremely affordable, okay? So what I'm going to do is just pull up the cost of the leads. And that's another thing I love about this. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg for leads. So as a member, which means if you sign up at any of the levels, you're now a member. For 200 leads, it's $35, 500 leads is $65, and then 1,000 leads is $100, okay? So that's extremely affordable for leads. Those leads are gonna last you a while. Not only that, when you get your information, you're gonna get your flyers, an order form, training, or resources. And then what I do is I provide the cover letter for everyone that joins my team. So if you join my team, you're going to get a customized cover letter that has information about you and how to reach you to get started, okay? And that's going to also increase the amount of signups you receive. People ask me all the time, how long is it going to take for me to start making money? I do not know that. That is an answer I don't have. It all depends on you. It depends on what level you come in at, how many flyers you're sending out, how consistent you are, and if you decide to use offline and online marketing. So each and every person is going to be different as far as how much they earn and how quickly they earn, okay? The company has been around for 4 years. They're not going anywhere, and they make sure that their members are taken care of. They updated the site. This is updated. They updated the flyer, so it's now 2 pages front and back. It has more information to get people involved. They have the bonus pool. When you purchase leads from the company for the month, they send you back a percentage of that in the form of a check. Okay. So what that does is it makes people want to go out and purchase more leads if they know that they're going to get a percentage of their money back. Not only that, if you have any mail that comes to you undeliverable, they are going to reimburse you for the cost of the stamp. Okay. So you don't have to worry about, oh gosh, I had 10 undeliverables this month. I just wasted money on stamps for that. No, they're going to send you that back in the mail. Okay. In the form of a check. You're going to get back the money that you put out. So there's a lot of things and a lot of perks to becoming a member of the Six Figure Stamp Club. What I tell people all the time is you just have to put in the work, okay? You have to follow directions and you have to be consistent. There's no budget that's right or wrong for this program, okay? It's just about getting started and it's about being consistent, okay? So that's what I want people to know, is that you can be very successful with this program. You can have much success working from home. You just have to stick with it. Whatever it is that you decide to do, you have to put the work in and you have to be consistent, okay? The programs that I come across have been out for a while. They have people that I know personally that are earning, and they have it set up in a way where you can start earning a full-time income like this, okay? And you don't have to wait to learn how to do online marketing and set up funnels and run traffic if that's something that you don't want to do, okay? So when you come to the website, and my website is going to be in the description below. It tells you what you're going to get at each level. At the $50 level, you can get unlimited $70 payments. The first level is $50, the second level is $20. So you, as being on the first level, you're going to get unlimited $50, and being on the second level, you're going to get unlimited $20, okay? You also get 100 buyer leads. At the blue level, you're going to make a total of $190. You can make those unlimited, 150 on the first level and 40 on the second level, comes with 200 buyer leads. The black level, 300 on the first level, 100 on the second level, and then a pearl, 1,000 on the first level and 500 on the second level, okay? So, and then you get 1,000 buyer leads. Not only that, you get 1,000 envelopes, and you also get 1,000 flyers, okay? So that's the perk for coming in at the highest level. So the only thing that you would need to get started to mailing out your flyers when you come in at the pearl level is just the stamps. And of course, you'll need a cover letter, but everything else will come with your package, okay? The other thing I wanted to just point out, give me 1 second. I want to show you guys something. Sorry, I had to get up really quick. But what I wanted to show you, I've been in this program 3 weeks now, and a little over 3 weeks consistently. And these are all of the stamps that I've received since I've been in the program, okay? All of these stamps in the mail. All of these stamps. So guess what, guys? Guess what that means? I don't have to worry about paying for stamps because I have all of these stamps that I received in the mail from people that signed up. A ton of them, guys, a ton of stamps. And what I'm going to do is the next person that comes in at the highest level, I'm going to send them stamps. I'm going to send them probably about 100 to 200 stamps in the mail, okay, so that they can get started. I'm going to do their customized cover letter, okay, and I will also send them out. I will send them in the mail the customized letter, a total of 300 copies, okay, because I have a laser jet. It's sitting right next to me. You guys can't see it, but I have a laser jet printer where I can print out tons of copies, and it's extremely cheap because it's not using regular printing ink, okay? So if there are any other questions that you may have or anything that I did not cover, what you can do is reach out to me, and in the description is all of the information to reach out to me to get started. Okay. Guys, this is a very, very, very good compensation plan. And it's a very great program to start with, especially if you have not been having any luck online, or you're looking for a really decent direct mail marketing opportunity. So I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this has helped, well, really giving you some education on how this works and what to expect when you join. I'm here to inspire people to start working from home, because if you would have told me 5 years ago I would have been doing this, I would have been like, you're right. But I had an opportunity that was presented to me, and I took advantage of it, and I never looked back. So I want to be able to provide that same story for a lot of people by giving them education, and not only that, helping people to be successful online and offline. So again, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great night, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.